Holding below that previous day mid right now, holding below it on ES.
Yeah, I wake up in skies, time to take that flight. Yeah, checklist on my mind, gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside. Yeah, discipline's the engine, let it carry me tonight. Yeah, half size when it's choppy, keep the risk in control. Plan trade ideas, let the vision unfold. No trades is a trade, that's the truth that I hold. Make every move count, yeah, that's how you grow. Flip back through the pages, yesterday in the log. HTF analysis, cutting through fog. Red folders on the calendar, I'm letting them pass. 5 minutes from the open, now I'm sitting on my hands. Yeah, I wake up clear skies, time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome in to the show. I hope you guys can't hear my alerts. I don't think you can. And you know what? I'm going to change my name.
ABC setups keep the risk on track. Element max and never giving it back. Don't let a runner get in front of the plan. Take the base hit.
What's up, Jaiwalk?
Every trade gets a story journal line by line. Copy trader set. Yeah, the system aligned. And before I hit the button, gotta stop, gotta wait.
Yeah, we got it live on the Twitter too. So I'm just chilling. Man, I like the short up here. I didn't take that one. I liked the short up here. But it was like a discretionary short. Otherwise, I could have shorted this. Yeah, I had another short right here, but yeah, actually, it's not that crazy. But I would have rather been a seller up at this previous day high area. So an NQ was interacting with the fib extension too. So let's see. I'm going to put a different account on. Let's do 1003 right here. So yeah, look at NQ. We swept this area and then we reject it. So this short right here looks really clean to me, actually. Yeah, or I could have taken it right here on NQ like that 30-minute close there. I could have taken the break of that. And where would that have been on ES? Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That candle on ES is the one all the way down here. That is wild. So it is that candle that I said I could technically short if I really wanted to, but it would be right into resistance. We have previous day mid right here, which we just cleared. We had bearish order flow right through that. It tested it a few times, but then it went. So if it can reclaim that, I would look for a potential bottoming area here. We have previous day point of control right under us, and we're creating now New York open. So I'm also going to look at the New York 15-minute opening range with the VWAP, with the New York VWAP. So I'm going to go over to MES over here. Yeah, say what's up, y'all. It's the first time I think I'm live on X, so I'm thinking some of my old crypto homies might end up watching on X. What's up, Guru? What's up, Axel Futures? We have Jaiwalk. Backtesting your NQ setups. Let's go, dude. What a good thing to be doing. It could end up being a blessing that you don't have an account if you learn something that you can end up using. So we're setting up the orb here. I got the 1 minute chart on. It's fun to build it. Also trade the 1 minute. And I am going to stay. I'm going to stay in the pocket here as we close the opening 15-minute candle. We got 9 more minutes left on that. Wow, we are still selling. Wow, NQ is just crazy right now. NQ is crazy. Okay, let's see. What's the Mag 7 doing? We have red, 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 green, 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 red. A little more bearish than bullish, but there are still some names doing well, like Tesla. Shout out. I am long TSLL right now. Shout out Brick. So he had called this out. I longed it yesterday. Oh, yeah. Look at that gap up. Tesla, the TSL gapped up, Brick. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Oh yeah. Let's go. I bought this yesterday. I might have to set some targets. Yeah, I'm gonna have to set some targets. 22.89. Oh, we're on repeat on the song. Okay, let's fade it out. We'll put on another one. All right. So we are still pushing down. We're going to test this previous day point of control. I might be taking a long off of this previous day point of control on the 30-minute. So if we can manage to reclaim, get above this, I might be into longing this. So I might create a third idea here. Wait, didn't I already do it? Yeah, right here, look. I did already create that idea, number 3. So I have 3 different ideas right now, shorting the fib extension highs and previous day high there. Longing the holding above previous day point of control, previous day value area high, previous day mid, or holding above previous day value area low, previous day low with a sweep of these lows. So I like all of those options. We have the fib extensions down here. That's pretty crazy, but I want to put my alert on that. I have alert on all my other levels. Wow, it's still selling. Oh my gosh. All right, I just made a template for my fib extensions. I'm going to just change this one to my new one, clean fib extensions. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks way better. All right, so I am interested in this orb. We have 6 more minutes on the orb setup. I'm going to go ahead and quickly try to set my Tesla bull targets, and then I'm going to switch on over to MES. right, so I'm gonna do. I have 230 shares, so I'm gonna do like 100. At TP1. That's Zarb. That must be PFM TV. All right, so I'm going to sell these at 22.89. I think that's what I said I wanted. Yep, good enough. And I'm going to do good till closed. GTC 24. There it is. And then I have one more account. All right, I took care of business. I'm going to go back to trading the orb. All right, there we go. So I'm putting half off at TP1. So let's go up. It is over here. Yeah, it's crazy. This is still selling. Wild. All right, 3 more minutes for the first 15 minutes to be set. I got to log in. So I'm going to switch from the side. All right, we're ready to go. So the orb's about to be set. So we have a bearish direction, a bearish bias. So at this point, I'm going to have to wait for it to come back up and then come back down. Wherever this is, we end up shorting like that. I'll probably do something like that. This is still coming down. That is wild. Whew, man, why didn't I just jump in this? It's going to take out these lows, isn't it? I can't believe I didn't get this short up here. I can't believe I didn't get that. Wow, so this 30-minute setup would have just worked clean. Right here. 26 points. Stop loss. Look at that. It just went to 0.5. So, wow, I can't believe that trade would have worked. I just can't. All right, so we're gonna wait here. The orb is gonna be tough here, right? It's really big, New York orb. There we go. Yeah, what up, Ritu? Yo, what up, Kelvin? Hope you're having a good day at work. So, orb is set. We'd have to sweep this high and come back down. I'm going to be looking for the double break trade. Otherwise, I mean, the retest of this VWAP to take it short during this trend could be a thing. All right, so what accounts do I want to trade? I'm going to trade... $1003, the one that's almost passed. Okay. Well, not it's not almost passed. It's the closest of them. And I can risk up to like 500. It's the Zen Center. Nice. There you go. So I hope everyone's having a good day. How's everyone doing? Are you guys up on the day? Are you down? I traded one eval in the morning sesh, and it's really annoying because I just got tagged out of my trade and then I watch it go. But that's all right. It was just a high risk eval that was almost already blown, so I didn't. It was kind of like to keep me out of trouble. I'm like, oh, I'll take some trades in this eval. If this kept going, it would be crazy. But we have previous day low down here on ES. Good morning, Bella. We got Bella in the house. Let's go. Yeah, it'd be interesting to look at those ones on the market profile chart and see if they lined up where there was actually more volume. So I am waiting for this previous day low sweep. I mean, if we kept selling through this, I would be looking for these fib extensions. I'm pretty much trading level to level for the most part. And looking pretty much to fade these highs and long these lows. I wish I had caught this short here. I wish I had caught that short. I liked it a lot on NQ, which I'm not trading NQ, but I could have used it as confluence to take it on ES. But meanwhile, we just didn't have the structure on ES. It was a hard short to take because it was literally my setup would have been taking it all the way down here, which still would have worked. It still would have worked. My stop loss would have been loose at these highs. But it still just paid. And now we're about to test previous day value area low. So I might have not gotten this top one, but I chose to stay out of it to so I didn't enter kind of from the middle of the range, which makes sense. So I think that's, the right call to be careful. Meanwhile, I do really like it on NQ here. This looked really nice. The way this red candle closed back down. These are 30-minute candles too, so pretty powerful candles. And this rejection back down into my range. So I could have taken it. Maybe I'll start trading NQ, and I would have taken it in NQ. Meanwhile, yeah, like I said, on ES, it wasn't until shorting right at my resistances, or at my support. Oh no, I just heard something bad in the Discord. No, Savage's kid put his SD cards in his beverage. Oh my god. So I'm gonna wait. If we get the sweep down here, I'm gonna be looking for the longs. Right here, I'm only looking for strength to possibly long the reclaim of this area. Like, you see how many levels I have here? If we can get back above. Meanwhile, like this morning, what I noticed on the volume profile was that we're just kind of like, right here, let me zoom out. Let's look at it again. Look at this. Look at this. We're in a trending. We started trending. Once we broke out of that balance distribution below, we have since been, look at this, just chop, 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 whatever, a bunch of little nodes, a volume profile that looks like this, right? So that isn't necessarily super bullish or super bearish or anything like that, but it is trending. It is showing a trend, and at the moment, the trend has been up. So I think it's bullish to some extent. So looking to catch the long from these lows makes more sense to me, and catch a reversal trade. And look at that. Yeah, look at us buying up from that value area low. If we close back above these previous day point of control, previous day value area high, I'm going to long this thing. So right now, though, that long would be like right where my, it was actually, that's crazy, to the tick. No, that is absurd. To the tick where that thing already was. 2 ticks above, 2 ticks below. 1, 2, just like that. So shout out, guys, to support the stream. Use my code when you get eval or an account, and that's code Luna, of course, at Lucid, at Tradeify, at Apex, at Top One Futures, Aqua Futures. It's Luna1. And what else we have? Affordable Indicators, affiliate, Bookmap, a few other things. Links in the description. And oh yeah, free Discord, the Trade Sauce Discord, also the small trading group paid Discord where you hear me talking to them sometimes. It's just to keep it small. Most of the people in there don't even pay, or not most of them, but half of them, or that they're paying like $10 a month. So from before, so right now it's $40 to get in the trading pod. And but yeah, all ways to support the stream. Appreciate that. And I'm waiting to, we're going to be running some giveaways soon, but I'm not set up yet. I got to do a little bit of work here to make sure I'm ready to do it. I'm looking through my email right now to see. Yeah, I don't have the giveaways ready yet, so we will have to wait. We will have to wait. Take this back up to these highs. If we can close above these levels, I don't mind this. I mean, I doubt we're going to close above that previous day value area high, but I might even just above point of control. I might like it. I can always, though, wait for another candle. Maybe we get consolidation and I get a better candle. Oh yeah, let me check the VWAP trade. I almost forgot. Oh, look at this. Here we go. Man, I'm tempted to take this short. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Let's see if we get it still. Oh man, guys, I was talking. I might have missed my trade here. Dang it. Well, here we go. We'll get wicked in. Whatever, I'll just take it. Let's see if we can get these. This is an eval. Let's see if we can just get this orb low. Yeah, it's 0.5 R. I'm cool with that orb low. Otherwise, I mean, I don't. Oh yeah, we got a little room down here. Yeah, look, 1 R exactly is right there. So I could have been a little patient and got VWAP exactly, just since I missed my first entry. But you know what? Where I got in now would have been that first entry, that 1 minute close below. So I'm just going to go with this with the VWAP trend. It's not a double break. We're not outside of the orb either. So I don't know if this is not a good trade or not, but I'm going to be learning as I go. And I haven't even watched the course videos yet in Austin's group, the Black Shirt Club, where I'm going to study this trade. So I haven't done my course material yet or anything. Hopefully I have time to do that today. I just got in the group yesterday, so it's going to take me a second to get situated. Oops. So we didn't get the break, double break yet. So I'm going to delete my double break idea. I'm just going to do one eval here in this trade. Okay, so that's previous day, New York, VWAP. Yeah, I'm going to have to trade one of these Lucid accounts, I think, in this strategy. I'm going to drop a poll. What the heck? Oh, I was so confused. I forgot Lunamod, you can drop polls now. Okay, I was so confused. I'm like, wait, there's already a poll. That's a good poll right there. That's hilarious. I was so confused for a second. I I'll leave that poll on for now. I like that poll better than my poll. So we are breaking this VWAP. I'm going to hold this trade win or loss. I'm risking 500 on an eval at just one. And for a funded trade, though, I'm going to be waiting to see this 30-minute close, which actually we just closed. We closed right above that point of control, or like right on it. So this is pretty much a like decision area to me. I still like the long. I still like the long above. I think I might take it in a different account. But I'd have to close out of this trade. I don't like that we closed above point of control for my short. Now we're gonna bounce. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make sure my stop loss is at 546.75 at least. So this is where I'd get entered into my trade. Right there. So I could stop out of this and then enter in another account, I guess, or put this one tick down. If I want to do the long. Which I kind of like it. It's a weird trade, but I kind of like it. With the way price action spin. Just gonna do the same account. There it is. Up I'm on. There we go. All right, there. Now I was confused. I was like, why isn't this working? There we go. One tick above that. Psych. All right, this is not going to be easy for me. Oh, it keeps picking up that other order. Shoot. I'm going to have to mark it in, I guess. I'm going to have to mark it in on this one. Oh, so that's what I'm looking at. I think I'm just going to stay in evals on this trade because we're right in the middle of the range. So, and I'm about to get stopped out of that other trade, which is fine. All right, the other one's that VWAP trade. It could still set up for the double break, but I'm going to let it stop out a little bit earlier than what I originally planned. Right, so my original stop loss was up here. Oh my gosh, look, it didn't hit my stop. If it does go out and breaks back in, then I'll get that double break, I bet. So, which it could stop me into my long. So yeah, it's kind of interesting spot. It might be another day where I just stay out of my funded accounts because I don't have a good read on things, I don't think. Like, I did have a good read, but I didn't take it. I had a good read up here. And now we pretty much had the same thing happen here, but I got short trying to go with the VWAP. So if this stops me out, I pretty much have my other trade. So I'll switch over to NinjaTrader. Yep, it's out. All right, I'm going to do it just in the same account, though, because I don't want to get too chopped up today. I'll just stay in eval. Because now it could go up and then come right back down and give me the double break setup. And then what? I'm going to flip short again. So I'm going to try to take this break out of that 30-minute candle for some more continuation here. It's like a late reversal trade, pretty much. But it is right into this resistance. So that'd be crazy if that stopped me out and then it goes. Because my original stop loss was looser. So if that's the case, then I'm going to get chopped up trying multiple strategies. I still didn't get entered long at least. So if it does go down, at least it won't be like stopping me out of both trades. But my entry is very close. Look at that. One tick away. So let's see what happens. It did technically break orb now, so if it does go back down, then I have the double break. Double break, I'd maybe be willing to do with bigger size. Double break short, I think I would just do the other half of this account. Yeah, look at that. It's rejecting. Okay. I do like 15. Now we're squeezing between these VWAPs. This market is that short was just crazy. That short was really nice. Oh, so I would have not been stopped out of my original position. Oh, that's crazy. So I chopped myself out of this trade at the top tick, exactly. I'm glad I'm staying in these evals. I mean, I might spend a little bit of money on evals, but at least I'm not setting myself back on my funded accounts because this is just crazy. So here we go. About to get a close below this 1 minute, it looks like. VWAP. In which case, I'm going to take it. 20 seconds. I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take off my buy. I can't believe I tried to flip long and look at that, top ticked and then shook myself out of my trade, my original read. If I get chopped again, I'm like lockout for the day type of vibe right now, unless I'm just totally cool, only trading in one more eval. But I literally might just blow all these evals I bought. But yeah, the short looks fine still. Man, look at that. And it's funny because look, here's my original stop loss. So man, this whole day's been like that. Luna, today are you doing a giveaway? We might do a form. I haven't heard back yet about a giveaway. I have a potential giveaway. I'm talking to a few different firms right now, and I'm waiting to lock in something. So I'm waiting, but we can do a check-in form so that when we do run it, you get an extra entry, and that's normally in the Trade Sauce Discord to do the check-in form. Dude, if this chops me out like that, I'm just so cooked. Yeah, the forum's in the Discord right now. I'm very annoyed by the price action today. Well, we're in it to win it now, so I'm back in it. Took an unnecessary loss on this account. We never even broke out of those VWAPs on the 1 minute. Yeah, this is a day where I probably just won't even let myself trade funded accounts. It would have to be a really clean setup because I just haven't proven myself yet today. I mean, I saw it. I saw the short. I had a really good read on that short, and I just didn't jump. I just would have had to just jump in. But yeah, I'll probably end up locking out early today is my guess, and or just trading one, like trading smaller size in an eval is another thing I could do, which is essentially what I'm doing right now, or what I've been doing. How are you doing today, Emmanuel? Are you up? I'm gonna go ahead and get a screenshot of this. All right, guys. I'm doing some trade journaling. Yo, brother. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I forgot. He said his brother blew all his funded accounts. That's crazy. Waiting for eval, although I'm up 3% on eval from London. All right, let's go. Nice work. And we're right back up again. So now that long is setting up that I liked before. So this market's just going to chop me out. I like the long better. Guys, I think I'm going to just quit for today. Seriously, like, do I just blow evals? Like, now I like the long. And I just went back short after closing the short to get long. It's just one of those days for me. Like, I just want to be long. That would have just entered me long. I can't do anything about it. Super annoying. Yep, look at us holding that VWAP. Still below the orb. I think if I get stopped on this trade, I'll still get one more $500 trade risk on this account. If we could get back below like 57.37 maybe. I don't know. This market is killing me today. Yeah, I'm like, this VWAP trade today is messing with my brain. If the long plays out now, I'm just going to be so done. I want to be long. I don't know what to do, guys. I think that might be like that sign where it's like, I'm done for the day. NQ is selling off more right now, I think. I wonder what NQ looks like on this 1 minute chart. Guys, I think I'm just done. Like, this week is just not my week, and luckily I'm staying safe in my funded accounts. But yeah, look, NQ I think looks a little better. No, oh, we had a double break long actually on MNQ. So maybe there's a chance still on this one. But if I lose this trade, I might be done for the day, for real. Yeah, it's probably nap time. Yeah, I went to bed. I don't know why I couldn't fall asleep last night very well. So I ended up staying up until like 10 something and I wake up at 3. But it was like that like every night this week so far. I mean, this trade still has a chance. Oh, disc golf. That'd be fun. Yeah. Well, I kind of wanted to trade on Kill Zone today with Zarb. Maybe I'll have to take a nap before that. NQ is selling off. Maybe I just need to drink more coffee. Who needs sleep? I'll drink more coffee. All right, NQ is looking really good. Let's see if we can get some follow through from ES. If you took the W, the margin rule was still broken instead of watching Coco Melon open M25. I have no clue what that means. Well, maybe we're going to make it. I might take it in one more now that we came back down. In one of my Tradeify evals. I think I missed it. Which account is this? 25K. I think I missed it in the other account. I was too slow. Slow and steady, guys. Slow and steady does it. I'm going to try to get tagged in it still in one more account. Oh, come on now. Nope. All right, well, I'm just in the one account. Very close to getting in the other one. Still could. I don't know what I should target. This VWAP with orb low is not a bad target right here. Not a bad target. I'm going to see how we react here. I have my alert set. All right, we flipped this eval back positive. Nice work, Andy. Ooh, poor Scott. I feel bad for Scott. Well, what didn't you have one potentially you're going to go against? Did and if they make it far enough. But what was the potential one? Amos? Stonk, Amos, and AJ. I have a feeling that Amos is the only good trader. I mean, if you own a prop firm, you're probably not like that good of a trader. And then, yeah, Amos, I've watched an interview with him and he seemed solid. And Brian Stonk, like I instantly imagine not a good trader. I mean, and once they see what you have, they're pretty much going to be forced to YOLO it. Nice work. All right, guys, we just retested this VWAP. I entered in one more account. So I'm doing the double break. Double break. All right, you want us to keep an eye on him for you? Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm on stream. I'm still holding short right now. Yep, and now it's just chopped back up. So I want to see us at least tap this orb was my plan, like maybe just cover this here. I do have 2 accounts now in it, so maybe I should be a little more conservative to just go ahead and grab it. Part of me is like, oh, I want to get it green on the day, but that is actually green on the day. It's not like max win. Also, I do think if we break these lows, I mean, who knows? We could at least wick down to, well, here, let's just to here. Or here. Oh, that's exactly 1R. Okay, so I like that. Front run it a little bit. Yeah. I mean, now if it stops me, it stops me. I feel like we got a little more price action here. A little more structure to hold me to make this trade more valid than on this first or second attempt. But it wasn't actually the double break until we came back down right here. So I think all in all, I got good position, and now I'm in 2 different evals. One of them that's almost passed. Oh, there we go. We just tested the orb. Oh, man. Let's see. Come on. Can we keep going? I should have covered. Guys, I should have covered. Shoot. Shoot. I'm going to just cover 1 account. I mean, I could cover like 10. Nah, I think I'm just going to cover because I'm too like all over the place right now. So I'm going to try to get covered here, and we're just going to lock it in. It's not even 1R or whatever, but I don't care. Let's try to get green on the day. Man, that's really annoying that I didn't cover it, and now I want to cover it. All day I'm like, oh, back and forth, and I'm kind of annoyed by the market. But I know it's not the market, really, it's me. It's getting good sleep and all that stuff, so I feel like I'm ready for a little break. But yeah, that would have been a great cover right there. We'll try to still get it. Seeing that reaction there. That sucks if it does bounce. Super annoying. Yeah, I got more than 0.5. I was supposed to cover that. I'm not really following all my rules. It seems like I'm just going for a little bit bigger targets. I'm going for a little bit bigger targets. I'm not used to it. And I don't know why. I think it's because I'm trying to trade my P&L. So I should have locked this in. I should have locked that in. We hit the orb low. That was the next target, these lows. It was within my rules. I got to hit my next target within my rules and just be done. So I was getting a little greedy here. And yeah, if I end up losing this trade, that'd be hilarious. What's your P&L today? I blew 1 eval and now I'm in 2 trades. So 1 eval is two $500 trades. I think it was 2. It might have been 1. And it was actually no, it was I guess it was 1 trade. The trade, it like wicked me out and then went straight to the TP at these highs here. And then I could show it in a second. And then in this account, I then took this short here and I closed it before the TP because I was getting a potential long setup that I'd been waiting for. It never set up, and then we actually broke back down and I took it again. So far, just trading evals today because I'm like not in the pocket at all. Like I just know it. And now here we go. Like I missed my trade just now because I had this thing just down here. Very annoying. So if I get stopped now, like I really should just lock out because like I'm just trading like crap. But the beautiful thing is I felt super tilted this morning and I stayed out of my funded. Meanwhile, I didn't get hurt in any accounts that really matter. I didn't affect my funded accounts or my live account, you know, so I still have really, you know, no matter what happens today in these evals, my month is like still locked in really good right now, and that's huge. That to me means that I've come a really long way. I almost want to just set this and forget it, guys. Will you guys take care of this for me? Maybe the song will take care of it. Let's just get this trade covered, and maybe I should call it a day. So I'm gonna put it on. Wait, what's the other version? Wait, is this the right version? Pre-flight checklist. I don't chase the scene. Wait for 8+. Let's try to turn the screen. If it goes against me, I need the red song. One trade done if the first one's green. Make every trade count. Keep the plan routine. I can't find the other version. Yeah. Risk on lock, never tilt, never lean. Cut it fast if the trade ain't. All right, come on. Put it back. Let it flow, stay serene. Small base hit, stack up to green. No trade is a trade if it ain't pristine. Discipline first, that. Oh my gosh. If it hits that potential. I mean, I don't know what I'm saying right now, guys. It hit my TP and now it reversed. I'm so cooked today. I'm just gonna keep being a dramatic baby because it's so annoying. This whole week. I hope it still gives it to me. Man, I had the perfect cover there at the VWAP and orb low. Which VWAP is that? Which VWAP is that? Previous day VWAP? Oh, that's not even a VWAP that I'm using. So yeah, that was just a random VWAP I had accidentally left on. Or is it still on now? Yeah. There we go. Guys, after this trade, I think I'm going to have to lock out because that's just crazy. Oh, the music's a little loud. All right, I'm going to let this play out. I'm going to do the BRB strat, and I'm going to hold tight here. All right, I'll be right back. That's empty. All right, we're back, and this is just teasing me here. Look at this. That was a this buyback here was very thin. If we do get down here, I do think it's a good chance it keeps going, right? Knock, 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 boom. I'm just gonna have to cover it because I'm feeling so tilted that just to get these accounts locked in, it's just crazy that I didn't cover it the first time, and now I'm gonna cover it. Like, that's one of those pet peeves I have. All right, let's see. You might need an eval. You and me both, Emmanuel. When one of us goes down, I think both of us goes down. So, what should we do, chat? What should we do? If we can hold this this initial balance low, which is set already, I think this could be the bounce area. Look, previous day mid. That's what I was talking about for my decision today. I texted my bro too. I said previous day mid. Oh, and I think I texted Luna Mod. I don't know why. It's just previous day mid's important. But on ES, we're holding below it still. So we don't have the same thing on both of them. But because NQ's holding, it's kind of a little scarier on ES. He doesn't have to go. I think I'm going to have to just close my eyes, guys. I'm like suffering. So I'm going to probably grab more snacks and just let this play out. If it breaks too, it's probably going to go to my other target I had. It's just if it tapped it and went again and I was trying to hold, I would just lose my mind. Gary, I don't even want to talk about it. Yeah, that's where I should have had my TP. I literally wanted to see how we react it down here. So I had it like this. And I was going to see how we react it, and it went so fast and right back up. I was like, yeah, I should have covered there. I should have covered that. And that's the orb low. So that's really my next target with this. And I got in just enough to make it like worth my whiles. 9.5 points on ES is pretty good. Could have taken it. And meanwhile, I'm a loser. But yeah, that's just today. I'm just feeling so bleh about my trading. I don't know why. I do know why, actually. I know why. I haven't slept good this week. So I've been grumpy in the morning. People did have these problems. What prop firm was it? No, it wasn't from the prop firm. I literally had it down here. Yeah, it wasn't like slippage or something. Yeah, I'm in the long on this TSLL. I can't even watch it. I can't watch the trade. I can't watch it. Well, nice. Either way, guys, this was a good trade, especially taking it from right here with that double break. Or even right here, actually. Yeah, where I did take it, yeah. Actually, where I did take it was the first time. So getting that TP right at that orb low would have been just so perfect and not have to go back into drawdown. And then could have even taken it again right here. That's the crazy thing. Could have taken it multiple times for that scalp. And really banked all in the same trade in the same session. So it goes to show, you don't need, you can keep it simple. One setup here could have played out multiple times for me. I can't watch. I can't watch. I can't watch. What's up, Deeks? I want to get even more coffee. One more little push. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot my water. How's my day? Not very good. I mean, fine. It's just the market. I'm just annoyed this morning by my trading, even though I actually had good reads and everything. It's just, I'm grumpy. I'm just going to be honest. I just woke up feeling grumpy today, I think, because I just haven't been getting enough sleep. And then I'm on camera in front of a bunch of people. And then I like lose a trade. And it makes me more grumpy. It was so close to hitting me. So close. Like, I'm just gonna lock this in and be done. I'm just so over it. I'm so over it right now. What up, Dino? Yeah, it's weird to be streaming when I don't like, because I always want to stay very positive on stream, but it's like I spend so many hours in front of the camera that, you know, there's gonna be times when I'm grumpy or something. Like if this, like, yeah, I can't even. I feel like I just have to walk away. Like watching this for some reason is so tilting to me right now. It's like everything is tilting right now. It's like when I'm on tilt, everything is tilting. Like I just been feeling tilted from the morning. And I keep thinking it's like because of the market or because of a trade or because of this or that. But I really do think it's just because of like self-care, like sleep. Like I just didn't get a lot of sleep this week. And I was going to try to go to bed early last night, but I couldn't really fall asleep. Tron. Just crazy. Okay, Bitcoin coming back down. So this was this long idea here. I wanted to hold on Bitcoin for my altcoin positions or position. Wow, look at that. I would maybe turn a grid bot on Link. Hype is just still going. Look at this. Wow. I would turn a grid bot on XLM too. NQ looks better than all this crap. Where was XRP? Oh, right there. Yeah, it's coming back down. Ooh, not looking good for me. I think my stop is right down here. The wild thing is I really do feel like every time we test these lows, the better the chance of it now going to what my full TP was or whatever, like the other idea of going for these lows, previous day lows. Meanwhile, let's look at NQ real quick. Yeah, I mean, it's above that previous day mid, and we have that first hour of New York set. But this bearish move has been really intense, the selling, with the big top wick here on this last 30 minutes. So yeah, I mean, I could see this going either way right now, is the truth. Even though we're above that previous day mid, that's kind of my line in the sand, but we're below it on ES. So very tricky price action this week for me and my strategies. Very, very tricky. And right now it's like, I feel like it could go either way. I really do. And so we're so close to my TP that it's kind of hard for me to watch. It's hard for me not to lock it in, but I'm not going to lock it in. I'm going to let it go. Me locking it in is just putting my TP up here. Yeah, I should have booked this one right here. Well, actually, I should have also, you don't even want to know, man. Look, I closed it exactly to the top tick because I was thinking about taking a long up here and I didn't want to accidentally hedge. But my original stop is the same stop it is now, and it would have never hit that stop. So I actually took an extra 500 bucks on it. A loss, $500 loss on the same trade idea, essentially. And then I got in it again when it came back down. I never got in the long. And then I didn't cover when it tapped the orb low, which is really where I should have covered, I think. I was being greedy. I was going to try to be patient and see if it would go, but it bounced so hard. So now I'm just trying to calm myself by drinking coffee. Like if I rewatched myself holding this trade, I'd probably be pretty ashamed of the video of like how emotional I am and all that stuff. But speaking it out loud, you know, I don't know, maybe what is it? Misery loves company. But speaking it out loud is kind of lethargic and kind of helps me. It's like I know. It's like I hear myself and I'm like, I know. Oops, I still have to comment on that. It's like, I don't know, I hear myself and then can kind of like see the flaws in my thinking or something. So just let the trades play out, let it go, make the best decision I can, move on, and that's it, you know. I don't even want to watch the order flow right now. Like, I would like to see this at least wick through this one time, even if it holds bullish, but it doesn't have to. And it's one of those trades where it's like gonna either way, it's gonna go, it's one of those trades, all trades, either way, it's gonna go to win or loss, stop loss or take profit. It doesn't matter if my take profit is down where it was before or if it's up here. It doesn't really matter. The trade's gonna work out one way or the other, even though it could take 3 hours. It could stay in this orb for like 3 hours and then hit my full TP. So I have to, like, you know, it doesn't help to be emotional about it. Staying locked in though, and maybe looking through some of the other charts and just staying in the pocket is more important than anything. With my risk management, which accounts I'm trading and all of that, which I have done. I've stayed in the pocket with my accounts and my risk management. So yeah, did I get chopped up? Yes. But did I do it responsibly? Also, yes. So I'm all good. What's up, Sovereign Pulse in the house? How's it, Luna? Struggling. Struggle bus. Struggle bus. I should have been out of this trade. Luna, which account giveaway? I don't know. You're the one talking about a giveaway. There's no account giveaway. If you want to get entered for an extra entry to check in the fact that you were here, you can say trade with Fagella was here, and just for checking in the Discord, you will get a extra entry in the next giveaway. I can tell you that. Look at this, it almost filled again and then grinding back up, and I'm gonna go cry in the corner. This doesn't, I mean, I don't even know. I don't really gonna say anything. We have, it's 11:12 Eastern Standard Time, so no news today, right? We're looking for a little bit of news tomorrow morning. I want to check if I have any meetings today. No. I just can't even watch this anymore. Looks like a nice little bear flag. I don't even know. I don't even want to talk about it. I'd just rather not even look at it right now. I should open up a video game. You know what? We should actually have a game to play on stream that I actually like StarCraft, because I got this Fallout game, but I don't really like it. So maybe StarCraft or League of Legends. But I don't think I'm going to play video games right now or anything, but just trying to talk about something different than this trade. Pac-Man, there we go. Dude, I used to have I had a record score on a Pac-Man arcade at this venue, this old punk venue in Gainesville called Common Grounds. There was a Pac-Man machine there. It was like an older location too when I was pretty young. And me and this one other person would exchange the high score on it. That'd be an awesome indicator, like a Pac-Man indicator where you can play like Pac-Man on your chart so you don't overtrade, or like Snake or something. I mean, I don't think I was that good. Like, I don't think I was like really, really good at Pac-Man. It was probably just not that. I mean, this is a small like punk rock venue. Like, it wasn't like an arcade or something, you know. I don't think I could beat your dad, who's like actually good at it. And that was also when I was like 14 or something. 15 probably. Here it is. Let's go. Let's hit that TP. At least have a little bit of green on the day. Come on. Here we go. There it is. I'm trying to not be like impatient. Just kind of let it all happen. Practice my discipline. At the same time, it doesn't really matter. I could cover it here or there, whatever. So close. So close. I think you can see my total P&L and my unrealized here. Let's hit it. Am I being a dick for a tick? I just might be. I might be a dick for a tick. I have cleared the eval of Apex given by you, Luna, but the issue is I don't have funds to activate it. Well, you got to study in it. I hope that was a good opportunity to learn. I'm sorry that you can't activate it. But if you can't afford to activate it, then it's probably, it's good to not. Can't afford to do it, you shouldn't be doing it. But hopefully we'll have some so I'm trying to work on some accounts that have no activation fee for the giveaway. So I'm talking to a few firms right now, and I'm pretty certain we're gonna work it out. Do I have a job to earn extra bucks? I've literally always had a million jobs, like not normal jobs, but like my own businesses, hustles. I'm streaming. I'm a streamer. I do affiliate income. I just actually shut down my tree business. So I have a tree company that I just shut down that does tree removal. I've literally had like 8 businesses or something like that. So always, as much income as possible is better. Keep it coming in, whatever it's got to be. Here we go. There we go. Let's go. Heck yeah, chat. So what could have been a much better day And there it goes. It's going to go to the full TP now, like I was talking about. So it could have been a really good day. I accidentally, I cut out of this one trade too early and then got back in. And now I'm not going to hold for my full TP because I'm so tilted I can't even dare to do it. Uh-oh, what's happening? Google Calendar alert. Oh yeah, my class. So, but yeah, so I at least have some green on the day, and I blew this one eval. I risked up on it, and I'm only up a little bit in these evals, so it's like it doesn't feel like a good day, but it's actually just like yesterday. The fact that I'm not red in my funded accounts today and like really aggravate it. Now I can end my session even if I lost that trade, I would essentially be like, well, I only traded evals and I risked accordingly, So it is W. I'm asking for me, can I be your employee? No, I'm sorry. So yeah, I am. I will give you some advice though. Since you asked if you'll be my employee, I'll give you some free advice though. If you find someone else that you want to ask to be their employee, like be very aware of your first impressions and stuff, like how you communicate, your grammar, like all that type of stuff is super important on that first impression. And also like doing it, like taking it seriously. Like if you're going to ask someone, you want that first ask to like you want to nail it, you want to like send in an email with your resume and with everything that someone would maybe need to like want to hire you in the beginning. This looks really good. The short still looks good. I just can't mentally hold it anymore, I'm going to take some screenshots. Oh, what did I do right here? Gross, realized. All right, so now what? Beautiful trade, guys. It all worked out in the end. I just freaking out over here, acting like a maniac. But that's all right. So what are we looking at here? We just broke New York IBL. We have very aggressive selling. We have a potential initial balance breakout. But do I want to take initial balance breakout right at previous day value area low? Nope, I don't really. I'm going to wait to see if we get a sweep and a potential long here for a reversal trade. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to keep watching the charts a little bit. Probably just keep trading the same evals and probably not trade fund it. If it sets up really clean though, I would still take a fund it, but it's like almost like now I'm scared to take a fund it trade since I haven't yet this week. So, but I actually should be prepared if I did end up doing it. I need to make sure I'm prepared for it. So I'm going to check my accounts and make sure I have the right account selected and all of that business. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to set my risk on this one to be max $1,000. There we go. On that 100K account. This one, it's a 25K. I mean, I'll probably just lock it up. This one, you know what? I'm going to copy this. And go ahead and do this in the other 100K. Right there. So this account will be ready to go. And then I have the personal account up to $100. Sweet. All right, there we go. I got all my accounts ready to roll. I know it looks crazy. Oh, no. Yeah, we got them all ready to roll. Sweet. So I'm good to go if I do get another trade. And meanwhile, look, we're bouncing at that previous day value area low. So there is a potential long here. I want to look for absorption of these sellers. And I'd probably want some more price action for that though. So maybe in the next like 30 minutes or so. Maybe I could zoom out and look at this whole area because we've kind of been testing in this area. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, you know what I can do? I have an idea. Easy. I always forget I can just do this. So, no, there we go. So right in this whole area, what's been happening? Pretty thin. Some sellers here, then thin buying. I feel like the buying's been pretty weak. But it's been there. I feel like it's the buying and selling has been weak. I guess we are losing volume now. Yeah, I feel like it's kind of a decision area. I don't see some reason. Oh, sorry. Some reason for a reversal. Let's look at NQ. I'm going to look at it full screen for a second. You guys aren't going to be able to see anything. All right, so I'm looking full screen here. You know what? I have an idea. Here we go. So I'm going to look in here. Someone was asking about this earlier. I mean, it still looks good to me for the short side. I don't really see any signs as long as we can hold below here. If we keep holding this and we keep making some higher lows, I'm going to switch sides, I bet. But as of right now, there's a little bit of divergence between ES and NQ, but that's been normal. We have a lot of sellers down here. Not a lot. We have some sellers down here that are currently, we're above them on price, but we're slowly breaking down still. So I'm not convinced. I don't see any huge buying or anything on NQ. Same. So I'm going to keep watching this action here and see how it stacks up. I wonder if the numbers actually distract me and then the colors are better. I'm gonna actually try to watch it like this for a little bit and see if that helps me. You're just kidding around. You're trolling me. You got me. You got me good because I went on a whole rant about it. I mean, dude, my DMs are full of people like asking for stuff, so I'm just literally used to that. I'm literally used to that. Done for the day, feeling little tiltish to buy the IB low. I just want to pop in and see how things are going. What's up, Czar Trader, man? I've been feeling super tilted too. I just got covered for my trade, which was nice. I took this short here, and I actually stopped myself out of it early the first time to the tick. It's just absurd. And then it ended up, I got back in when it started going again, because I was also thinking about that long. Now I'm looking at the price action here. I'm looking for a little bit. I'm looking for a little bit more before I buy, if I was going to buy. And maybe, well, we just swept that previous day value area low. So if I really did want to long, I could long the breakout of this 30-minute candle above, but we have point of control right here. And so I'm kind of using point of control as a point of control and previous day mid as a line in the sand, either bullish above, bearish below. So I'm actually going to wait. I would maybe buy the breakout here, maybe even buy an initial balance breakout on this one above all these levels, or long if we can sweep the previous day low a little bit better than what we just did right now. So I think I'm pretty much sitting on my hands at this point. And you were distracting me from the trade. All right, my man. You took one for the team. You're like, I'm going to have to troll Luna right now. I'm going to rage bait him to make him not think about his trade. No, I wasn't rage baited. I was just on a rant. What's my views on ETH? I was actually thinking about longing ETH. I have a whole, here we go. Yeah, I'm too easy to bait. And I don't even like, there's people who are here all the time, and I think like, I really just don't even I try not to make any assumptions about chat, you know. So sometimes some people catch strays sometimes. I mean, I like the ETH long. You could see where I was looking at it. I didn't take it, but look where I was looking at it. It would have been a bad trade. So maybe I should use my stop loss as the entry, right? I could enter down here and have the stop down here now. I mean, that's probably 1800 actually sounds pretty nice. Front run it, take like 19. I have 1888 right here. That's like not a bad 1800. It's pretty good. Anything right above it, I mean, I don't mind it at all. But that's also, I'm very comfortable holding ETH personally. I used to have some ETH. I had a full node running, and I've always like been a fan of crypto. You know, it's like, you know, second to Bitcoin. Yeah, I've traded this for quite a while. I mean, this was crazy. 2018 ETH was back down to $100. Oh my god. Iran's Trump likely to unilaterally announce finalization of U.S.-Iran agreement in coming hours. White House on Iran negotiations are proceeding nicely. Bro, how many times have we announced that negotiations are proceeding nicely just to see some other things said, like, yeah, all the news out about that wasn't real and Hormuz is closed. Too much. Too many times. There we go. Me too. Deeks, me too. BTC and ETH was my love before seeing gold and ES. Same. I'm looking through Discord. Okay, I'm going to look for absorption down here of sellers. If we're going to hold this test, I mean, I could see a long here above these 30-minute inside bars that we're kind of forming right now. Almost inside bars. I'm looking through Discord. It looks good right now. All I had to do is be patient. Look how beautiful it all played out. I could have taken it twice. I'm trying to get a really good screenshot. It doesn't exist like this. Okay. I don't know how to screenshot the 1 minute chart. Could have played out twice. Why doesn't it show the cover on this? Because it doesn't show where I covered. There it goes. Could have taken it twice. This looks bearish. I don't see buying. Holding these EMAs down. I might look for a initial balance breakout. Let's see, on the 15-minute initial balance breakout short. We have previous day low down here. I'll probably just stay out of it, guys. I'm probably just going to lock it up here. And I'm thinking to go on to kill zone on the ASFX channel at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I'd rather wait for the sweep here and then take the reversal trade since I already made money on the short. Wow, look at this sweep. So full TP would have hit on those accounts. Just not in the mental space to hold any trades. Oh my gosh, Iran, Trump likely. Oh, I already read this one. So we're talking about finalization. President Trump participates in cabinet meeting. Okay. I got a link to the cabinet meeting. Here we go. Testing previous day value or previous day low. Good night, Deeks. Yo, what's up, Loco? Let's see what happens down here. If we could sweep it and then hold, come back up. Yeah, there's potential for trades down here. I mean, if it just kept hung off, that would be insane, especially if we do get some finalized news. Or this is just kind of a higher low, you know, or we just keep chopping this range. Who knows? Maybe we, over days, kind of round off here, right? Create a round at top. We end up coming all the way back down. Terrible drawings, but I think you get the idea. I'm on the 15-minute chart. Oh, I think someone's here. Hold on. Looks still bearish, huh? All right. I left it on the most ugly chart. Look at that rejection from the levels, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful short up there. What do you mean it needs to flush? What has it been doing? Okay, so another 100 points on NQ. All right, let's see where it's at on here. 782. I'm going to look for absorption here. I'm going to look for buyers stepping in, potential reversal at this previous day low. If we can get back above that previous day value area low as well. Yeah, what's up? We got 37 people on. Shout out everyone watching right now. Yeah, at this point, I'm just looking for the reversal. I already took the short, and now I'm going to look for the long. Otherwise, I'll just try to stay out of the way. If it does some crazy thing, maybe I'd end up like getting in an eval. But if we can form a bottom here and bounce with the news, which speaking of, I think you're listening, Brick, but did you see this news right now about negotiations? Yeah, it definitely doesn't look bullish to me yet, even though that's what I'm looking for. I don't see it at all. So I'm gonna wait for some buyers to step in here, make some bottoming wicks type of thing, thin wicks. Watching for volume to keep kind of tapering off. I'm gonna put this back on the 30-minute chart. Yeah, if this can be a new low, close back above. I don't think I'd want to long the break of this candle though, because it's right at that point of control. So I might even have to wait for it to break back up. Still potentially could give me this trade back up to the top of the range, and then a short from the top of the range again. So it's definitely a few potentials today. I'm going to stay in the pocket a little bit. I'm planning on trading Kill Zone on ASFX TV with Zarb at 1. So stay tuned for that. Maybe I should get off for that while I'm not in any trade. I could take a little break and then be fresh for that time. I am interested right here, though. We have this previous day value low, previous day low. But appreciate everyone watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you want an extra entry in the next giveaway, the link for the Discord is in the chat, and you can head into free Discord and tap that link and get an extra entry for the next giveaway. So we do daily check-ins, and I'm still setting up what the next giveaway is going to be. So we don't know when that's going to be, but you could, if you check in every day, you get an extra entry every day. So those of you who are the regulars will get a little reward for that. Man, just tapping that buy right on that previous day low. Oh, that was money. Look at that, just bounced like 10 points. If you could have just bought that, I would have been too scared. But so yeah, guys, appreciate everyone watching. I don't know, I guess I'm kind of maybe backing myself out of the stream here, and then I'll be on at 1 on ASFX TV. My other thought was I could just stay on and then we could raid over to ASFX TV. But if we do that, then I might need to take a break still. I'm kind of surprised no one from X has checked in. All right, we have this 30-minute in candle closing in 6 minutes. So I'm going to come back in 6 minutes, 5 minutes, and see what the price action is looking like on these TPO charts and see if I'm going to look for another trade. So I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. And look at that, we are above previous day value area low and above previous day low, practically above New York IBL too. I'm going to look for that absorption I was talking about here. We do have some sellers down there, a little more green, a little more buying coming in. Not really a change of structure though. So I'm going to keep watching this 5-minute footprint chart. NQ is holding the initial balance low a little better. Let's see what NQ looks like. Yeah, and NQ is holding that previous day mid. I like this better on NQ for that long back to VWAP. I'm almost tempted to take this. I like it. I just haven't been doing it on NQ. Right there to previous day mid and VWAP. Man, I kind of want to do it. I'm going to watch this footprint chart. Okay, maybe I'll just spread out and do another account. 1006. I might just do another one of these Lucid accounts, $500 risk on a 50K eval, which I have been doing $1,000 risk on them because I am trying to send them. I'm going to have to call them back. Okay, so I'm kind of interested in taking a try at this. I want to do it. Come on, enter. Just get in there. Get in there. I'm going to try this. And then Q. Another D trade. This is an eval trade. We haven't made that bullish structure yet, but I'm just watching this buying coming in, and I mean, I could have sized down a little bit maybe, but it's an idea. Back to that VWAP, back to that previous day mid. Which is 239 about. I'll probably just do a scalp on it. So my 0.5 R is up here. So I'm just going to try to lock it in. I kind of just want to lock in more green and just move on with my life right now is actually more my vibe. But let's see if we can get a little... It'd be nice to at least get my 0.5 R. We are getting a little volatility here, it looks like. And ES looks really bearish right now. Oh yeah, and look at NQ. Oh yeah, look at ES selling off here. So that's not good for this position. If it can turn into a sweep and if we can buy back up, then that would be good. That's kind of what I'm looking for here. Meanwhile, NQ is staying decently strong. I might cut this for a quick scalp and just have a little extra green on the day and be happy with it, because this is sketchy. I mean, it's just, yeah, ES is still not holding. It looks bearish, and I'm taking this as a discretionary trade. So I'll be discretionary to get out of it as well, since I was discretionary to get in it. Okay, so far ES did hold. It did make it engulf the last 5-minute candle, but for the most part, it did hold. Let's see if we can get another pop up here. Man, ES is so struggling right now that I'm probably just gonna have to close this out. My idea is valid, the long above previous day mid. But man, ES is struggling. Yeah, that's like $200 up there. It's like I'm like breaking my rules today and stuff. It's just kind of funny. But right now, NQ's holding here on the 5-minute. I think we can hit this high right here. If we pop, I'm going to try to take off 50 and then probably just close the rest to lock something in. If we don't pop, I'm probably done. I'm probably cooked. There we go. Let's see if we can hit 62.5. Taking off half. I'm just going to lock this out, guys, and take a few $100 is kind of my thought here, because I'm just trading like a crazy person. But this is actually a good call here. I'm trying to practice reading that absorption, and I'm just going to lock it in, and we're out. Boom, 154. I'm going to take the scalp on it because, I mean, literally, this is like how, I mean, my coach might say something that this was the worst trade ever, but in general, I was watching him trade a little bit, and you know, he'll scalp it with the tape and end up stacking though like this. If it still looks good, he'll get back in sometimes and still take another couple $100, and before you know it, that turns into $1,000 a day. But so stacking these base hits, guys, does add up over the long run. I just stacked another $150. I want to be happy with that for now and not like do anything crazy. ES is still struggling here. We can look back at the footprint chart and I'll show you right here what I was looking at here. Look at like the structure here. ES is still kind of, this last 5-minute candle was bearishly engulfing that one before it and just like not showing me too much. The selling down here that we popped above is what made me feel a little better about this candle. And then meanwhile on NQ, we did hold above. We're just printing bigger candles here. And here we go. Look, we might pop out. So I was trying to just sell up here. If I think we're going to hit this is the plan. But I'm out of it, of course, already. So it don't matter. Yeah, could have made 300 bucks right there or something probably, but I'm just trading. Maybe it's me actually considering what the market's doing. Maybe that's what I should be doing today, locking it up real quick and taking my money and scalping. But this market, I swear, it's me and the market, but make me feel like a crazy person today. So W though, W. Man, I feel like I should take another break. I still like this potential long with the breakout. Wait, oops, where is it? Right here. The breakout, this 30-minute candle here. I mean, this is looking good to me still. So I think my call on that absorption down here was a good read. And that's exactly how I should be trading these reversals. Could I have gotten more on it? Sure. But that's really not what's important right now. On ES, meanwhile, close in 20 minutes. Maybe will give me a better candle to long instead of this last one. Otherwise, this last one, I don't really want to long it right into point of control, so I'm going to stay out of it. So that's a no trade for me. It could play out fine as a good reversal. We have a couple 30-minute candles here would be overlapping at the same time. Trump not satisfied yet on Iran deal. Iran is negotiating on fumes. Had great read though on this long here. Look at NQ. NQ just is still ripping. So that was a really good call. I'm really looking at this price, at this TPO chart right now, studying this a lot. Boom. I mean, that right there would have been a $500-600 trade. I could have held for my 0.5R and followed my rules, but I have paper hands. Paper hands. And I did it on NQ, so I kind of broke my rules. Which, before I forget, I want to put this back on MES so I don't accidentally do something crazy. It'd be cool to see this run back to that initial balance mid, and it's overlapping right now with the VWAP. So that's beautiful. Let's actually look at what the VWAP's doing on this lower time frame, guys. So we have a potential double break reversal here because, I mean, I say reversal because we've been selling off, so they probably say not to long this in general. But because we swept these lows, I am actually now interested in the reversal. So I might get sneaky and take it. I'm going to see if someone's talking about this in the Black Shirt Club. When I return, I think I'll trade one micro unit until the rust is gone. Is that a good idea, Luna? I love that idea. I think that's a great idea. One micro, and the crazy thing is, dude, one micro can add up. Is what's wild. Like, can easily end up $500 on one micro if you take like 2 or 3 trades, or even like, I mean, not every day, but let's say 2 trades. So you can still end up on an equally strong day pretty much. It could also be a VWAP retest short. This is so awesome. I just asked in the black shirt member chat, and Austin just responded to me immediately. Look at this rejection. Someone says WTH. Yeah, I like to pay people to help me get better at trading. What can I say? Yep. Still bearish price action here. Let's go back to the other charts. Holding IBL could definitely bounce here still. ES is still the weaker asset, it seems. NQ is bouncing pretty good at this New York initial balance low. Yeah, a little bit of a divergence here between the two of them, and that's quite all right though. I can hang tight. We at least stacked a little bit. I blew that one eval, sadly, but we stacked a little bit still. I mean, the longer this holds, the better, really. I'm potentially all right with this long for the 30-minute break. We tested previous day low. We tested previous day value area low. We have 8 minutes left on this candle. You know, I'm kind of liking it more and more. What I don't like is that this point of control is right here. However, I mean, we could easily wick through it. We have previous day value area high right above it, and also New York IB high. So I like this as a range. I like this as a range more so than just the point of control as like a hard level in this situation. It is a nice middle ground though, especially this like area where we kind of bottomed before. But I kind of like it to this initial balance high, previous day high, value area high. So I kind of feel like there's a little bit more room here as a reversal trade from that previous day low. Let's look at NQ one more time to put it in perspective. And NQ already made the reversal breakout of the 30-minute right here. 0.5R on this one is literally to VWAP mid. So that is a good trade right there to me. We were in this from down here too. And I just took it. I got so scared. My mental capital is shot today. So I got scared. I didn't hold it. And now I'm sitting on my hands, which is good. We have 7 minutes left on this candle. So you know what? I'm literally just going to prime myself away for 5 more minutes and then come back and see if we get this trade. You know what? Here, I'm going to do this. Let's log in. Oh, we might even get the double. Man, I'm going to leave this one logged in actually. Okay, I'll be right back. It might set up on either one of these charts. I'm open to doing the double break again. I think Austin said to never do it though, long. I think he said never to do it. And we have too many VWAPs right here anyways between the target. So if I do it as a 30-minute flip, that would be above this candle that's still setting up. So it could even be above this previous candle. Like that. I mean, the more I'm watching the price action now, the more I like this reversal. And especially with the possible Iran deal. Heyo. No one has ever told me that. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, let's check Tesla. Oh, my short is out. I didn't even realize. Guys, there's a new short out. I just posted a link. Good work on that short. I wish I could have it automatically change the song. All right, well, I'm going to take, oh, it's only 4 minutes now. I have to decide, am I going to do this long? I might send it. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Part of me, though, almost would rather do it on this other candle. Or at least for the stop loss on that low. Like that and like that. I think that's what I'm going to do. I kind of like it. It's against the VWAP. Where's VWAP at? It's right below that point of control. 37 about. I kind of like it, but we just don't have the 30-minute structure yet. And it already played out in the lower time frame. How are we doing on the 1 minute? I might have to stay out of this one. Maybe we'll set up on another candle. That's something I can always tell myself. Well, if I miss it now, maybe we get it on the next candle. And I'll be on... I'll be getting on ASFX TV. Oh, here we go. There's the candle close. I mean, okay, so NQ is giving that bullishness, but look, ES is still fading it, man. I kind of still want to take it. We could just kind of be trapping these EMAs right now. Could kind of be a bull trap. CVD started to go back up on Bookmap, looking at ES2. Yeah, I mean, CVD's going up. I kind of think I'm allowed to take it. Yeah, I'm going to take it. We tested both the levels. I'm going to do it. Am I going to do it in all of my accounts? Do we lock up the ones that are green? Perhaps we do. Oh. There it is. One more. Oh, this is on. I keep doing that. Oh my gosh, guys, this is set. I thought I already had this set up. I must be on the wrong tab because I swear I already set this up. If it goes without me, I'm going to freak out. There we go. All right, guys, we're in it to win it here. Let's make sure I set this right. Whatever, we're in it now. I didn't set it right. One more tick. I didn't set it right. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, we're in it. So we have a trade. I'm going to journal my trade, guys. This is a funded account trade. Both of my funded accounts. Let's see if we can get it in one more, actually. My daily select 25K. Risking $250. And there we have it. I'm going to try to just take the scalp on these. I'm going to kind of set them a little bit apart right now. But really, the target I like is like 53.37, which is not quite. All right, this is the one I'm going to go for a little bit more on. The other ones I'm going to lock up a little bit quicker. So I kind of like this tighter target. Oh, so this one I'm going to try to see if I can catch a runner on it. If it pops, I will try to just lock it in. Most we can do is 1200. I do also like the target of 47, which is right where this is. I really don't mind that target. That is New York initial balance high. All right, so I'm in it in most of my funded accounts here. We have the daily select, 100K, That's also the daily select. We have my personal, and then we have another 100K. So that's 100K 789, and this first one was 100K 731. Yep. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to get some screenshots before I forget. Going for a reversal trade here on the 30-minute time frame. Here we go. So I get to journal for once. I haven't journaled a trade for a few days. So let's see. 27th, what time is it? 12:36. New York. This is in all my accounts. Tradeify, Lucid. Wait, do I even have Lucid live accounts? I think it's just Tradeify in my live. Do I have Lucid Funded? I don't even remember right now. Yeah, one of them is. Oh, but I'm not in that one. I keep forgetting about that account. All right, that will be my group 2 account then for today. So I forgot I have enough accounts to have 2 groups. So I won't take it in that one. And then I'm going to put this MES. This is the way reversal 30-minute flip reversal previous day low. And previous day value area low. It's a long. And are we above or below? No, we're below VWAP, and VWAP is down, so we're fading VWAP. VWAP has actually just flattened out, and I'm going to say it how it is. It's flat. Oh wait, so VWAP is above and flat. Screenshot. And the time frame this is on, we already know it's on that 30. And I'm going to go ahead and take one more screenshot here. Also with the 5-minute EMAs. All right, guys, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Make it all back in one trade. The temptation when I'm like tilty like today, like I could just close this and have all this green P&L on the screen, you know, $200. But it's funny because I'm risking 1,000 on those 100Ks. Like I need to follow my rules, hold my trade, do all the things. But there is that part of me that is just like right now, it's green, $130. And I don't know if it's because I want to show people that I'm green on the day, or like I have no clue where that's coming from. But it's been really hard to fight that today. It's been really hard to fight that. So I might even close some of these early and kind of go with that, you know, because at 37 here, we have VWAP and point of control. And I want to look at Bookmap real quick and see what we have sitting here. Quite a bit at 35. Oh yeah, and 37. But all the way up here, we got orders stacked up here. Yeah, this looks pretty good. We got liquidity up here to run. I'm gonna let this play out. Who else has struggles with that sometimes, wanting to close your trades? Luna Mod's excited about a funded trade. Let's go. Let's put it on the right time frame. Look at all these funded accounts, guys. You know how we do it. So yeah, this is my Tradeify. So I'll have 2 groups, Tradeify and Lucid, and then I'm going to probably start a 3rd group. Almost. It can't really fit, huh? No, it can't fit. Not bad, not bad. Let's hit this VWAP. Here we go. Let's hit this one first. Let's get this locked in. That's that VWAP right there, guys. I think I'm just going to take it. All right, we're out. Boom. I'm taking this one. Okay, you're not going to see that one anymore for a second. And then I'm going to see what I can get on these other ones. Oh, shoot. Come on now. There it is. Okay, let's see what we can get here. Oh, yeah, we're above that 58. Oh, we were. I'm going to try to lock in something here. We're testing that VWAP. I'm going to just... I got to lock something in here. I mean, 0.5R is a little bit higher. But we have the VWAP point of control double whammy here. I think it's fine, actually. I mean, everything's looking strong. If this rejects here, it could be a kind of a blow off top. Oh, come on. One little pop above. My level was literally 1 or 2 ticks above here. But I don't want to be a dick for a tick. I could have just covered. All right, well, maybe I'll cover a different account instead. How are we doing on Percy? Not so hot. It needs a little more. I mean, 0.5R is up here. All right, so I'm gonna hold Percy. Yeah, I'm gonna hold. I'm trying to hold him. I'm just really antsy today. Just have to chill out. Well, I covered one at least. I'm gonna try to be disciplined to follow my 0.5R rule on this account. The other one I cut early. And but right now we're still holding against this VWAP. Everything looks fine on the 5 minutes. We might turn this daily candle back green. We're almost back up here to the daily open. Yesterday's close. Let's see. Yeah, we're just holding right at this VWAP. Let's see if we can run 540. And I'll drop my stop. I think we got, if we can pop 37.5, we can go up 2.5 more points. I'll cover. Okay, we're struggling at that 37.5 VWAP. I guess I'm being a dick for a tick. Or I'm just being impatient. It feels like I'm being a dick for a tick because really I'm just waiting for my trade. And what happened to my coffee? Hold on. I lost my coffee, which I shouldn't even be drinking coffee anymore. I'm talking about not being able to sleep. Trying to hold for my 0.5R and follow my rules. Because my rules give me peace of mind. My rules just allow me to sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. And days like today where I try to control things, it's not enjoyable for me. I'm not having fun. Okay, we got through these orders at 37.5. We have room up to the 40. 540, here we come. Let's go. No reason we can't get there now. Low volatility. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I mean, maybe today I just have to accept that I want to be scalpy and not suffer. You know? Do I just have to accept that, or do I follow my rules? It's weird. It's like part of me just doesn't want to follow my rules today. And maybe that's not good. Maybe I need to follow them. I think I'm just going to lock it in. I'm going to keep trailing this down a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. I'm just going to do it. And then it'll probably go straight to where I said. It's just grinding. So, I mean, no reason for me to be worried, but let's take it. Oh yeah, I got to message Zach. So I guess I'm just going to take this, guys. Come on. One more little push here. One more little push above 750. 7 spot 50. Here we go. 2 ticks. There it is. Let's get it. Go. I hate watching this chart right now. All right, let's try to message Zach while I have my finger on this. I'm going to go on his stream all in a bad mood. What should I do, guys? I feel like I'm getting so burnt out on this trade. I can either follow my rules or just close it for peace of mind. NQ is looking extra strong too right now. So there's no reason we can't get that push that I wanted. I mean, we're literally a few ticks away. We did reject that 750. And now it's failing. This is going to be like the death of me here. Okay, so let me message Zach. I'll get to complain to Zach now instead of you guys. So let's just see if we can get on that stream. All right, here we go. I'm going to lock it in. One more tick. There it is. Psych. There it is. Let's go. I did it. I did it. I did it. Woo. Locking in those 100K accounts. I'm going to get this other one up too. Let's see what we can do here. Closing a banger, guys. We got a banger trade. Started with that read on the TPO chart, took a scalp at the lows, and then I took the 30-minute breakout of, after testing the previous day low, previous day value area low, closing above it, right? After testing both these blue and green levels here, previous day value area low, previous day low, and now we're testing VWAP. We're actually going above VWAP right now, and I start to cover some positions, and I have a few more accounts on. I'm going to get ready to cover these two and just call it good and be done. All right. All right, let's lock this puppy in, guys. That's 0.5R. I don't care. I'll lock it in. Psych. Funded account locked in. Psych. Guys, I'm trying so hard to do this. Why is it so hard? Yeah, it stopped out. It's all good. We're taking that half R, and if I really wanted to, I could leave one of these on, but I don't. So we're going to take it. We're out. Which accounts do we have left? Any? Is that all of them? That's all of them. I was kind of thinking I could like send one of the evals. I don't even think I took it in any evals. All right. All right. And look, we actually got the VWAP. We got the double break on the 1 minute chart. Interesting. Look at that double break right here. We could have gone long again right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, guys. Dude, did it just come all the way back down? It did pretty good. Came down pretty good. Well, we got a green day, guys. My live account's up 30% total. That's it. That's it. That's how it should be done, guys. I struggled. I blew one eval, and we end up all green on the day, just like that. And it's like, oh, now I'm going to be happy after being sad all stream and being annoying, grumpy Luna today. But we persevere, we stick with it, and that's kind of been the trend, right? That's kind of what I've been finding. I just need to stick with it, don't give up, and follow the plan, and it all works out in the end, right? Some of those trades it could have worked out better if I didn't close one of them. If I followed my rules of not closing one to enter another one like I did, that would have been fine. And I didn't, I would have, so I would be up another $500 in one of these accounts, but who cares? Being able to post that green. Yeah, live equals my personal. Man, we have Fit Mom Trader on again in London. Let's go on Friday. I'm excited about that. That must be Friday. It's kind of hard for me to read this. Let's see. Dude, Dandy just crushed the competition, didn't she? Oh, she's crushing it. I gotta figure out what's up with the Ninja Trader competition. Is the link for that in the chat right now in the Discord? I want to follow it closer. Oh, here it is. Oh, this is a full ladder. Look at it come right back down, guys. Beautiful trade there. Beautiful trade. I think we cooked. All right, so let me finish filling out my journal. I think we cooked, boys. So we got in my 100K straight to fund it. I think I did pretty good on how I covered. I could just, in this situation, it's like I might as well just use a limit order because I'll save money. Boys and girls, boys and girls. I feel like these days everyone just says like bro for everyone and guys and stuff. It's kind of, we get complacent. But let's see. Oh, I got it in my Tradeify Select Daily, $91. Okay, whatever, I'll take it. And then in my live, $30 after commissions. No, $31.82. I'll take it too, guys. That's like a half an eval. Half an eval. Is that it? Yeah, I didn't take it in my Lucid accounts or in my other evals. I should have just sent it in my evals too. If I liked it that much, I should always take it in my evals, and I didn't. The funded trades always in evals. Certain trades only in not in funded and only in evals. But if it's funded, I might as well at least send one eval on it, which I didn't accomplish this time. But I was managing a bunch of accounts, so it's the best I could do. And let's see what we got here for the total. We have in my 100Ks 384 plus 365 plus 91 plus 31 plus 82 equals wait 82. Oh no, it's not, it's minus 82. Okay, sorry, it was 82 cents. So 872 in funded accounts right there, including a live account. On the notes, I'm just going to put I super tilty today, can't hold my trades, worked out nice so far in this one because right after TP it ran back down to entry. It could keep going from here, but I'm just going to put that in my notes, have something in there, and we are all logged in. And that trade was a 30-minute flip at the reversal at the previous day low, previous day value area low, long. Really nice setup there, guys. Exactly what I was looking for. I had clean. Oh yeah, that's the other thing I want to say, as I had clean read on the order flow earlier, and I actually had the best entry using the order flow. So I had the entry that's like would have made this trade probably a $1,500 trade or something if I took my first entry based on order flow, which we just took in an eval. This trade would have been like crazy fire. So I'm gonna go and put that in here. First, I had wait, how should I say this? I longed right before this 30-minute flip based on the footprint order flow, and that entry with a full size position would have, I'll use technical terms, it would have cooked. Very technical. So there she blows, and W trading, we stuck with it. We really did. Beautiful. Any final, what else today? So I'm about to, guys, we can do a Luna raid over to ASFX TV, where I'm going to be joining Zarb for Killzone. I didn't take a break yet from this morning. I didn't really take a break at all. I mean, I literally just like walked to get water and stuff. So maybe I owe him that I take a break before getting on his stream, or we just go in there all super burnt out streamer, bro. So, how many people do we have on the stream right now? Yeah, guys, let's just go ahead and raid over there, and then I will join in 15 minutes, I guess, and then that'll give me 15 minutes to relax a little bit before getting on that stream. So let's Luna raid over. I'm going to go ahead and find the link right now. But there's only 3 people on. Oh, guys, let's guys, we gotta Luna raid this piece. All right, guys, Luna raid. I'm gonna drop the link in the chat here. Let's get on in there and Luna gang it up. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat some lunch. Chewing some coffee beans. Yeah, that's, well, by lunch, of course, that's what I mean. All right, guys, everyone, I'm gonna drop the link in the chat here. We're gonna go to the ASFX TV stream. We're gonna Luna raid it, and I'm gonna also tag in the Discord. Even if you're not going to hang out, if you want to do me a favor and still go say Luna raid in there, because maybe Austin will like get me on stream more or something. So appreciate everyone for the support. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Thank you for using code Luna at checkout. All these different ways to support the stream. Really just being on the stream supports the stream, getting that view. And I just appreciate you all. I felt so grumpy today. And guess what? I still showed up. So sorry if that was negative vibes or something like that. But you know what I really care about for today is that we are green, baby. We are green. So let's just end it on, man, I need the other green song, but this will have to do for now.
Green, 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 green on the screen, yeah, I keep it clean. Green.
All right, so guys, I'm gonna head on out and then get ready for that other stream. So link in the chat here, Luna raid over to ASFX.
I follow what I've seen. One trade done if the first one's green. Green, green, green. Make every trade count, keep the plan routine. Green, 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 green. Yeah. Risk on lock, never tilt, never lean. Cut it fast if the trade ain't green. Run it on, let it flow, stay serene. Small base hit, stack up to green. No trade is a trade if it ain't pristine. Discipline first, that.
All right, guys, see you in the Luna raid. See ya. Peace out, y'all. Beautiful trading. Thanks for hanging. I'll see you guys on ASFX TV. I'm going to be live in 15 minutes with the boys. Peace.
Yeah. Pre-flight checklist. I don't chase the scene. Wait for A+. Settles patience, stay green. I be braced, then I follow what I've seen. One trade done if the first one's green. Green, 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 green. Make every trade count, keep the plan routine. Green, 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 green. Yeah. Risk on lock, never tilt, never lean. Cut it fast if the trade ain't green. Run it on, let it flow, stay serene. Small base hit, stack up to green. No trade is a trade if it ain't pristine. Discipline first, that.